There are a lot of aftermarket taillights for your 09 to 18 Ram, like this one behind me, but I think we found a really good one. This is by GTR Lighting. This is the Carbide series taillight. Obviously, this is a red taillight. It also comes in a smoke taillight. I'm gonna put it on this truck and see what it looks like compared to stock. Then I'm gonna show you if it's any brighter in reverse. So right off the bat, you can tell these taillights are stylish. Personally, I like the smoked out version more than the red version, but to each their own. When you power these babies up, you have a huge C-shaped parking light around the outside of the taillight. Now what about the reverse light? Like I said in the intro, we're gonna see if they're brighter than stock. And honestly, from what I can see in our studio, it's not much, if any, brighter than your stock, but it does have a better color. People are still gonna see you when you put it in reverse. If you wanna do something that's even more powerful for your reverse lights, check out our XTR LP that we have. That is literally a light bar that goes on your license plate. Overall, the fitment is really good though. So enough talking, let's get to the install. First thing you gotta do is drop the tailgate, and you just got 2 screws right here. Using a T25 Torx bit, go ahead and remove those. All right, and that's literally it. 2 screws, and then it's just pressure fit. You're gonna pull it towards you now to remove it. There you are. There's 1 plug on the back side. Go ahead and remove that by squishing this right here and giving it a pull. And set this taillight off to the side. So here we are, we got the taillight. We're gonna plug it back into the truck. Now, there is only 1 plug, so it's really easy to attach. However, there is this thing. This is a resistor and it gets pretty hot. I'm gonna use a self-tapping screw and I'm gonna screw it in right on the back side, on the inner side of this taillight. And I know there's 2 slots, but you really only need 1 screw. It's gonna hold really well. Now go ahead and plug your taillight in. All right, once plugged in, you can go ahead and push your taillight back in. Make sure the grooves on the side are lined up and put your 2 screws back in. All right, now you don't have to over tighten those screws. It's just holding in the taillight. Once you're done with that, you could go ahead and turn them on, make sure that they work properly, hit the turn signals, make sure each side works. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and enjoy them outdoors or on the trails. We just recently filmed a GTR Lighting housing install on this truck, so be sure to check out that video. And then also go to headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model, and see everything else that we have to offer for your truck.